Hey guys, it's Caleb Gillis of the Mega 3D, and I'm doing fun stuff to do on GTA IV. On the PlayStation, you can do this stuff on Xbox too, so don't get all grumpy. Get a helicopter, my favorite. Oh, come on, not this again. Don't touch my helicopter. Fly up as much as you can. So high as I can, so I'm just going to press the top button and I'm going to jump. You can also do flips. It's really fun. Oh, oh! Oh! Way off the building. High flying action. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. But that's fun. Oh, it's not in beef. What over here is a good spot? Let's go to, this is my building, I'm gonna do it off of, you can do it off of whatever building you want. I'm not saying there's a certain building, just kind of jump. Don't hit me. Don't hurt me. It's fun to just watch the helicopter go down. There we go. But now what you can do is you're going to get one of these. I'm going to go. Oh! That was a grenade launcher, by the way, and you just go, you send yourself flying. Look, I'm doing jumping jacks. Oh, I'm also on fire. Look at that. Don't see it when it hits the ground, so it's kind of boring there. All thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get another helicopter. No, not a helicopter in a hospital. Oh god. Hop in. I'm flying really high up. I'm gonna go over to the bridge. The thing I'm gonna do now is on the side of the wall I'm not allowed on. So I'll get the police after me when I pass it, but it's worth it because it's a cool thing to do. Okay, I gotta find that big smokestack. Over here, the island we're going to, this big one, it's kind of like the industrial place. It's like smokestacks and power buildings everywhere. And I'll get the police after me. At least smokestacks. I have six stairs. 6 stairs. Go down over to these. See these? This is something fun to do. I love doing it. Where are them smokestacks? Float down. Float down. Fly over to them. And you're just gonna jump into them. Easy as that. So, that's all.